Recently, I've changed up my makeup routine, and a lot of you guys have noticed. I did my own makeup for New York Fashion Week, the AMAs. I've gotten tired of hiring makeup artists, and I've worked with enough makeup artists to have picked up a lot of their really cool like tips and life hacks. I'm gonna actually bring you guys closer. Hey guys, welcome to my most requested video of 2021. I wanted to do this video before the end of 2021 while Vlogmas is still happening, while I'm uploading twice a week. Here it is, me getting ready on camera. I'm gonna walk you through every single step, everything I do to lift my droopy dark eyes. I'm gonna show you all my little contour tricks. I'm gonna show you all the products. I'm just gonna give it all in this video. The reason why it took me so long to do this video is because I don't see myself as like a beauty guru or makeup expert. And I also just felt like that wasn't the normal content on this channel. I know a lot of you guys subscribe for my vlogs, and like, this isn't a vlog, this is my makeup routine. So the first thing I do is brush my eyebrows. The next thing I do is I use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Soft Brown because I feel like I want my eyebrows to be bushy, but not bushy and dark. Some people can pull that off like Cara Delevingne, but I feel like my face, for the most part, I gotta pick one or the other. By the way, I pull on my face. People give me shit for it, but it's just something I've done my whole life. I take this pencil and I just start little brush strokes at the bottom of my eyebrow and I straighten my eyebrow out. But I just fill in the bottom, and I actually got this makeup tip from Kendall Jenner. She said when she gets her eyebrows waxed, she only gets the bottom waxed and she only fills in the bottom. The next thing I go in with is my Glossier felt pen. I don't know the name of it, but I'll have the product pop up here and be linked down below. But I basically go in with this and then I draw little hairs in my eyebrows to look more realistic and add to that whole feathery effect. I actually learned this from one of my favorite makeup artists. I like to hold my brow just to stabilize. Please don't hate. Okay, the next thing I do, concealers. So you're gonna need two different color concealers. I am obsessed with Rare Beauty concealers. I use a peachy toned concealer and then a more light white strobing concealer. A liquid bronzer, I use the Milk Makeup one. Foundation, I use Rare Beauty. I'm just gonna show you how I lay this all on my face. I actually literally learned this on TikTok. So you're gonna first go in with your peachy colored concealer, and then you're going to put it underneath your eye. Right here. And I also bring it up onto my eyelid because I do have dark colored eyelids in general. That's the only thing I use the peach colored concealer for. Anything that has a peachy undertone will cancel out dark circles. Then I go in with my lighter concealer. I basically use this to go above the areas I know I'm going to be contouring. I then add little dots. I don't even know how to explain this. I'm so not a beauty guru. I go down to my chin. And then I go on my forehead, bring it down the center, under my brow. So then I go in with my foundation and I put this in the spots that don't have the concealer. Back in the day, I used to do a full face of foundation and then put concealer on top, and that would create like a cakey illusion. Layering a primer, layering a foundation, layering a concealer, putting baking powder on top. It's just like layer, 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 layer. Oh my God, do you remember that trend where it was like 100 layers of foundation challenge? What was wrong with us? So I just put my foundation wherever the concealer isn't covering. I don't want double layers of product. We go in with the contour stick. We put a line higher than you would think, and that's because we want to elevate our cheekbones, elevate our eyes. We want everything lifted. I put my contour up here now. I love how little this is. It's so helpful. So like this, I hate showing my ears, they're so little. You go like this, 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 this. Start at your eyebrow, do a line down your nose like that, do another one. And then I actually learned this on TikTok. You put a little up on your upper lip and then drop. And now you're ready to blend. My favorite brush is a stippling brush. And then you just go in, but you just are smart with where you blend. I'll show you. I start here, under the eye. Oh my God, I really feel like a beauty guru. Eyelid, brush to the side. And then we go in up here. Right now, we're kind of just blending the concealers with the foundation. And now we go into the bronzers. So after that initial blend down, I'm just gonna go back in and touch up the little areas I want a little darker. I'm actually gonna contour my eyes now. And what I do is I just put a little bronzer going outward the way I would do with eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go back in, and then I just go in here. I almost forgot, guys. I forgot to do my brow gel. And then I just go in and I brush up in the front. So I like drag the end of my brow. So the next part of the routine is to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. It's really just like a fluffy brush. And then we just go over all the areas we lightened. The highlight I use is Rare Beauty. It's gold, because I feel like my skin tone is like a little olivey. And then just a little bit here, because we're lifting the eye. These are the places I put highlight now. I used to literally like go crazy with the highlighter back in the day. That highlight under the eye contour we just did really makes it pop. What do we do next, Nikki? I don't fucking know. Okay, I know what's next. I've been using this palette for years and I'm never gonna stop loving it. This is the Man Eater Tarte palette. I need a new one because it's kind of like busted. I mean, I've had it for so long. It has all the colors I want. It has a dark brown, a warm brown. I literally use this palette for those two browns. So I'm gonna go in with that medium brown. And I'm going to start at my inner corner where my nose contour ended. Start there and then start bringing that contour along the crease like this and out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of freaking out. I can't find my favorite brush. So we're gonna have to use another one, and we're gonna use this guy. Gabby actually got me this in the new Nikki and Gabby video. You just need like a little fluffy brush that you can go in and do some like detail. So I'm going to go back in with that same medium brown that I contoured with, but also go into the dark brown now. Make like a little mixture just by dabbing, and start putting the eyeshadow underneath. I mean, honestly, like you could literally just do your lips, put on mascara, and go out, and like it's a good natural look, but I keep going. So now I'm going to go in with the darker brown only, and we're going to do cat eye shape motions with the brush. Maybe even bring it over in your crease. Whew, my makeup routine is no joke. I'm getting myself tired. Now we're going to go in with a pencil liner. I like the Sephora brand one because it twists out. I don't use liquid liner at all on my eyes anymore. So we're gonna go in. On the end, we're just gonna do a little flick like that. Nothing crazy. And then we're just gonna go in and the waterline and on the eyelid like this. We're gonna do the same thing over here. Nothing dramatic, like me. And then we're gonna go into the waterline. Me and Gabby, the way our eye shapes are is like we can just get in there with a pencil. But I feel like that makes my eyes pop. Now we go in with the smudger. Smudge. Snatch my eye like that. And then I go underneath. And that re-snatches everything. It may like move some product around, but we go back over it at the end. We do like touch-ups at the end, but I know that's weird, but literally you can use any little flat brush and just go in with the dark brown. Go along the line of the snatched pencil liner you just did. Blend, blend, blend. And just fix the little areas, like right here. This is where I used to go in with big fake lashes back in the day. Now we just curl our lashes and add any mascara of choice. And I use Almay Length and Lift Mascara in the color black. We're done with our eyes. For someone who doesn't give a shit about lips, I have really good lip products. I watch a lot of YouTube and a lot of TikTok, and we got my chapstick. So this is the combination. It's really random. Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the color Iconic Nude. For my lip gloss, it's chapstick, but it comes on like gloss. I use the color Nude from Tarte. I don't know exactly what this is, but I got this. I got this so long ago in like a big PR package set. I just slightly overline my top lip. And then I do my bottom lip. Then we go in with the chapstick. I love this combination so much. We're snatched. I think it's natural, I think it's glowy, I think it's bright, I think it opens you up, your eyes. This is how I go from droopy, tired, sick looking eyes to like awake. I don't normally make content like this, but I really enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys want more of this. I feel like Vlogmas has gotten me out of my normal vlog type content, and I actually really did enjoy this. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell. I have fallen in love with uploading twice a week on this channel. I kind of want to stay doing it. I feel really connected with you guys. I just have fun making these videos, so let me know if you guys want me to also keep uploading twice a week. Also, I do have a show in LA, January 23rd. We're like almost sold out. Get your tickets now if you're hearing this and seeing this, and I can't believe we're so close to Christmas, guys. It's literally this week. What the fuck? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.